Construction and demolition waste occurs during the construction, renovation, demolition or destruction of buildings and public infrastructure. This so-called waste can create environmental and social burdens, but it can also become a resource of huge potential. The construction and demolition waste recovery rate is an indicator used by the EU to monitor progress towards achieving a circular economy. It includes waste that is prepared for reuse without pre-processing, recycled or subject to material recovery, including through backfilling operations. Mediterranean countries are still facing challenges in improving their construction and demolition waste recovery rates. Among the most significant barriers within the Mediterranean region are the unfavorable market conditions for the recovery of this waste, due to a lack of trust in the quality of the recycled products, very low raw material prices, and cheap or free landfill costs. There are, however, regulatory, economic and technical measures that, driven by innovation, can encourage a more effective, circular and eventually sustainable management of this waste. Sustainable construction and demolition waste management is a strategic approach that addresses resource minimization and resource management during all phases of a project in an integrated manner, with an emphasis on maximizing resource and energy use efficiency. It also gives due consideration to the local context, local material use, climate considerations, socio-economic aspects, and stakeholder engagement. This approach can turn waste into resources and materials by adopting comprehensive prevention, recycling, and disposal plans. It focuses on the total life cycle of the materials used, to include mining, extraction, preparation, construction, reduction, dismantling, separation, reuse, recycling, and landfilling, while balancing the environmental demands of a construction with the social and economic ones. Integrated and optimized management of construction and demolition waste reduces damage to natural ecosystems from waste disposal, extraction, and consumption of natural resources. It contributes to a safer and cleaner environment and helps combat climate change. It improves waste cost containment and recovery. It stimulates national and particularly local and decentralized economies, creating new jobs. It contributes to public health and livelihoods and the overall quality of life. EU-driven solutions and priorities incorporate the principles of prevention, reuse, recycling and recovery of construction and demolition materials, for which the circular economy model must first be integrated into the thinking of national and local authorities, the construction sector, material manufacturers, the architectural design of the buildings, as well as the management of construction sites. It is in line with this that the EU-funded WES project encourages and supports the stakeholders of the construction and demolition sector to be informed, aware, and capacitated to act within a holistic and life cycle assessment approach. Through innovation and higher reuse and recycling rates, the potential for the circularity of the recovered waste grows.